Good morning. Say good morning, anak.
Good morning.
Wow, happy today. Kain po siya. And mommy have coffee. See? Brushing her teeth. Yay! Very good, anak. Brush your teeth properly. Are you done? Okay.
Are you okay? Apa?
Talia. Tadi. Wow, I like it. Did you do that? Oh, very nice ang baby ni Mami Nagka-try yun sila, nagkukulay. Oh, yung kay Tutoy, oh. Wow. Blue na blue. Ang galing naman ito. Ni MR. Very good si MR. Tapos na yung school ni Tali. And nandito na kami sa labas. Ayan, nag-i-snack. At hungry daw siya. Waiting namin yung sasakyan namin, yung trike ni Lolo. And then, pauwi na kami. Are you done eating?
Not yet.
Not yet? So, ito yung school ni Tali. Dito kami sa barangay. Yan ang palibot ng barangay. What?
Why you don't want to Ate Kuya Carl?
Because her mommy is there na. We just only wait here. We need to wait them here.
Mama, why mommy books is under matagal?
I don't know. Maybe mommy and the teachers talking each other muna.
Like my teacher.
Yeah.
What's that bad?
Huh?
Let Lolo drive so we can walk. We walk.
Inalis ko yung uniform niya kasi pawis na yung likod niya. Come here dito.
Where?
There, oh.
That?
Come here to mommy.
Where is that? I haven't seen it.